Hi, this is Venkatesh. Watch this series to improve your logical skills. Int d equal to a star b by c. In next line, int e equal to a by b star c. In this program, I used two operators. One is multiplication operator and one more division operator. In these two operators, which is going to be executed first? We'll see. In mathematics, BODMAS rule is there. Brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This order executed. But in programming languages, no BODMAS rule. In programming languages, operator precedence is present. According to operator precedence, this expression is going to be executed. Now I'll explain operator precedence. First category, brackets. If more than one bracket is there, left to right. In left to right also, innermost bracket to outermost. Second category, multiplication, division, modulo division. These three having equal priority. In these three, whichever comes first from left to right, that is finished first. Third category, addition, subtraction. These two are having equal priority. In these two, whichever comes first from left to right, that is finished first. This is called operator precedence. According to this order, executed. First category, brackets, left to right and innermost to outermost. Second category, multiplication, division, modulo division. Third category, addition and subtraction. This order executed. Operator precedence. So first brackets, next multiplication, division, modulo division, next addition, subtraction, left to right. Now see, in our program here, a star b by c, a star b by c, a star b by c. Multiplication and division equal priority from left to right. So first a star b, 10 into 5, the result will be 50. The result will be 50. After that, here c nothing but 2. 50 by 2, the result is 25. The result is 25. First expression, this is. Second one, a by b star c. Here A by B star C. Division, multiplication, equal priority. That's what, left to the right. First, A division B, 10 by 5, you'll get a 2. After that, C value also 2. 2 into 2, result is 4. Now, D value 25, E value 4. If I run this program, output will be 25 and 4. See the output. Compile, run. Output is 25, 4.